Hey, welcome to Live Hive, where you can stay up to date with the latest updates about marketing, sales, and business. There's no better time to get into e-commerce than today. The market for online goods and services is overflowing, and technology is getting better at meeting the needs and expectations of consumers. But as profitable as e-commerce can be, you can never do away with the competition. That is why, as an entrepreneur, it is always wise to have marketing goals that can get more visitors to your shop, convert these visitors into customers, and ultimately grow your business. It is easy to get lost in the ideas about e-commerce, so today I've listed 8 marketing goals that you should adopt for your store. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is using an affiliate network to connect with other websites to promote your items. These other site owners or affiliates promote your product with content links and banners, and an e-commerce retailer pays them a commission of the sale price once a purchase has been completed. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it is a highly scalable, ROI-positive form of performance marketing, as e-commerce advertisers set their commission rates and are guaranteed an inevitable return on investment. Number 2. Optimize product pages for search engines. As more and more people hop onto the e-commerce bandwagon, it's becoming more urgent for brands to invest in SEO, or search engine optimization. Having the correct optimizations in place, particularly on your item pages, makes it simpler for search engines to discover your store and show relevant search results. Eventually, this will lead to potential buyers to your store and help establish its name within the niche it falls under. Gaining natural rankings offers long-term value. However, there's a speedier way for your store to show up on the look results through paid advertisements. For a price, your store can get a high placement on search results and get a traffic boost, an incredible complement to your organic SEO endeavors. Number 3. Capture leads through social media. Online shopping has become an irreplaceable part of the new businesses that utilize different social channels, and ultimately they sell more items than those that don't. An incredible place to begin social media marketing is Instagram. It's a business-friendly platform, particularly with its features that let vendors tag items on their posts. With Instagram, brands like yours can rapidly turn ordinary browsing into a helpful shopping involvement for users. You can also capture leads through other social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. But before you settle on a forum, check first if your target audience uses it. It wouldn't be wise to extend your time and resources on a few social media platforms if your perfect clients only use 1 or 2. Number 4. Collect email leads through sign-up forms. It is normal to have store visitors who may eye certain items but aren't ready to make a buy. These visitors usually require a little more convincing or support, and typically where a sign-up CTA and email sequences come in handy. With a sign-up form, you can collect people's data and, after that, send them messages and deals to convince them to purchase. You may utilize a mix of distinctive sign-up forms, such as pop-ups and static opt-in boxes. When somebody fills out your form, they're allowing you to contact them. It would be best if you take advantage of that by having email sequences ready. Your emails should aim to sustain your leads, counter any buying complaints they might have, and inevitably lead them to make a buy. Number 5. Boost sales through upselling and cross-selling. Upselling and cross-selling are practical tools to extend the value of a customer's purchase. Upselling is when you offer a better and more expensive product than what the client is looking at on your product page or checkout page. Meanwhile, cross-selling is when you recommend an extra item that can improve the customer's experience with the thing they have in their cart. Let's say you're offering bags. On every bag product page of your store, you can try to provide by displaying 1 or 2 more costly bag designs near the main product pictures. This way, customers will have more options and choose whether to go for the cheapest bag or the most excellent features. For cross-selling, an example is advertising travel accessories like a sanitizer bag tag or a neck pillow that will go well with travel bags. Amazon is one of the foremost well-known platforms that effectively offers upsells and cross-sells. Number 6. Optimize for mobile. More than 62% of users access the internet using their mobile devices. Even Google recently stated it displays mobile-friendly pages and search results. With more and more users shopping on their smartphones, e-commerce businesses must ensure that their mobile experiences are compatible across devices and browsers. You can even build an app to make it easier for buyers to order from your store. Number 7. Reduce abandoned carts. It's standard information among online business visionaries that up to 97% of store visitors are there to look around and tap away. That's why it's not shocking that abandoned carts are a common issue for e-commerce. Cart abandonment rates might go as high as 87%, which should goad your objective of lessening these incidents. You must survey what might be stopping customers from completing their transactions. It might be due to a complicated checkout page, limited payment strategies, lack of trust badges, or other issues. You can minimize potential problems by showing badges and logos shoppers can effortlessly recognize. You can also offer different payment choices on your checkout page to suit shoppers' preferences. Consider Apple Pay, PayPal, Google Pay, and credit card options like Visa and MasterCard. Number 8. Build customer loyalty. Did you know that it's far less costly to sell to a past client than to acquire a new one? That's why brands invest in client retention, and one way to do this is usually through a client loyalty program. Rewarding loyalty can benefit both your clients and your brand. With it, you can provide clients compelling reasons to buy and repurchase from your store. And if your rewards are one of a kind, they will likely spread the word to their social circles and assist you with word-of-mouth marketing. So guys, now you can get better about achieving all 8 goals. As an e-commerce trade proprietor, setting goals and taking action, particularly for promoting your brand, your business, are what will help you scale. You cannot go wrong with the goals listed, but be sure to keep track of your specialty, monitor your progress, and adjust your methodologies as needed. Ideally, the 8 insights I've shared have helped you understand how vital product promotion is and the many different ways that you can fortify your e-commerce brand. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Live Hive squad and be part of our channel. Thank you for watching!